Hey, what's up YouTube? And now we're going to do an unboxing of the Alpinestars Tech Air 5 jacket. Came all the way from the United States. Just arrived here in the Philippines about a few days earlier. Retails for about $6.99. I know nothing about this yet, but we're going to find out what it can do. Let me just undo the tape here. It's quite difficult to do one-handed actually. Alright, so let's open the box together. Good packaging. Look at all this packaging. Okay. Set that aside. Shipping label. See Alpinestars. Put that there. So here's the product itself. Let's get it out of the box. Alright, so here it is out of the box. Quite a large box for a jacket. I'm going to read out the specs to you right now, and it says it has 3 gyroscopes with which enables it to deploy the airbag in an accident, and apparently it decreases impact force by 95% compared to just a normal protector. Cool. So it is also Bluetooth enabled, and you can apparently connect it to an app on your phone. So let's get to unboxing it. As you can see, let's get this out first. The user manual. It is important to read this manual, especially if you're a first-time user of the Tech Airline. Let's get this out. Oh wait, we have another box. Battery charger. Oh, so you charge this. Alright. We have a micro USB cable, braided. We also have this. Oh, appears to be adapters for different countries, I guess. And this is the adapter or charger itself. Set that aside. Let's get to the actual jacket. Actually, let's get this box out of here. So I'm guessing this is the back part of the jacket. It is the extra large size. I'm guessing that's supposed to be the indicators or something for the battery. So you can see here, Tech Air. According to these specs, it's supposed to have 30 hours of battery life between charges, so definitely enough for the average rider. You definitely won't be going 30 hours riding. This is what it looks like. It's just lit up. I don't know if I pressed anything or what. Look. Oh, it's supposed to be automatic. It turns on. It turns on when you stick this here. That's cool. I guess that's supposed to mean that the airbag is engaged. So that is the Alpinestars Tech Air 5 unboxing, and thank you for watching.